aren't there more people talking about this? One of the greatest fantasy sagas ever written is finally getting the adaptation it deserves.
Guys, Amrita wanted to talk about this dragon book from 2003. मैंने कहा किसी को इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, किसी और चीज के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं.
Excuse me, 40 million copies are sold. 4 books translated over 50 countries. The fans have literally campaigned for years to literally make this remake. I care. So we are talking about this today. So, Eragon. If you grew up reading fantasy, then you know this name, The Inheritance Cycle. 4 books, 40 million copies sold, translated in over 50 countries. The story starts with a 15-year-old farm boy named Eragon who finds a mysterious blue stone in the mountains. Except it's not a stone, it's a dragon egg. And when it does hatch, it makes him one of the first dragon riders in over 100 years, pulling him into an ancient war against a mad king named Galbatorix who wiped out the entire rider order. And the world that Christopher Paolini built, genuinely insane. You've got elves, dwarves, Yurgals, these massive horned warrior creatures, shades, which are sorcerer-possessed spirits, a fully constructed language system, and one of the most beautiful human dragon bonds ever put on paper. Saphira isn't a pet. She's Eragon's equal. They argue, they fight, and they grow together. Oh, by the way, Christopher wrote this book when he was 15. 15! Now, in 2006, Fox decided to make a movie. They had Jeremy Irons, John Malkovich, Rachel Weisz voicing Saphira. Sounds great, right? They squeezed a 500-page book into 104 minutes. Saphira grows from baby to full-grown dragon in one flight. The Yurgals, these terrifying horned beasts, became bald guys with face paint. The Razak, literal nightmare creatures, became CGI bugs summoned by magic. They cut half the characters, and the director literally told Jeremy Irons, who by the way asked how the plot hole made sense, that the audience won't notice. 15% on Rotten Tomatoes, sequel cancelled, fans heartbroken. Fans spent years using the hashtag Eragon remake trying to convince Disney to give it another shot. Christopher himself kept pushing for it. And finally it's happening. Disney Plus is making a live action series, and Paolini himself is going to be co-director and co-writer. They've brought on Todd Harthan from High Potential and Todd Hebling from Superman and Lois as showrunners. The writer's room is open right now. No cast yet, no release date. But this time, the person who himself built Aragizia is the one telling the story. And a series format means they don't have to butcher 500 pages into 90 minutes.
Wait, so there's dragons and a proper magic system? Like no hand-wavy nonsense?
Well, there's an entire language where every spell costs you physical energy. You say the wrong word, you die.
Okay, that's kind of sick.
Told you people would care.